Hi my web viewers, in this video I'll show you how to change or insert a thumbnail in your video using your cell phone with Android. Okay, first open Google Chrome. Plus, now type youtube.com. Check your user account here. If it's correct, go to my videos. Okay, here we have 3 points. Okay, click on the first one and select desktop site here. Wait a moment. Be patient. Okay. Okay, let's try again. These are my videos. I'll change the thumbnail of the second. Here, Minecraft Magic Integrate Online. Click on it. Now click thumbnail here. Okay. Select image file here. Now select your image, your thumbnail. Click done. Okay, here it is, how to make Minecraft intro. Now click save. Okay, go to my videos now to check. Okay, here it is. That's right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you enjoy. Until the next video. Bye.